Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so I said I will be checking out into the if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chat before you can follow up with it. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 50 from using the trading indicator analysis right from this particular trade for like 2 days now, and it's really been profitable. We started right from here. We got a sell signal, a downtrend signal at the resistance zone, and a sell signal, and it sold for a very long time. Okay, yesterday I also gave us more signals on it, and just where we have seen it, TP 1 2 3 4 5 have been, I mean TP, okay, till 5 have been achieved. Okay, so we expecting it to achieve the next TP, which is going to be the 6th TP, and it's going to be the biggest part of it. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. Congratulations to those of you within the Telegram channel that have taken action with this trade. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, except if it's on about below the next support zone, that is when it will not sell. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so now let's move on, guys. Let's move on. So guys, the next asset is going to be GainX 999. GainX 999 actually switched from a downtrend into an uptrend at this support region, and it has been buying since then. Okay, so it got to this region, it has not been able to go above it, so it is having a pullback. I believe once it is done with the pullback, then it will continue with the trend. Okay, but if it should change the structure, I mean the trend, at this point, then definitely it will go back into a downtrend. But for now, it is still selling at the moment until it is done with the pullback. Okay, so once it is done with the pullback, it should continue with the buy trend. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so now let's check out our PayNext 1200. Okay, PayNext 1200. This is selling at the moment until it is done with the pullback. Okay, so the next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. This had been on uptrend, got to this resistance zone, try to go back on downtrend. If you watch my video in the morning, I said if it breaks out from here, it's going to sell more. If it does not, then it will go back on uptrend, and of course you can see it is still buying at the moment. So this is still buying until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, so still buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, this is PayNext 999. It was on downtrend, but once when it got to this support region, it was unable to break out below it, so it switched into an uptrend and gave us a buy signal, and this is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be more buying than selling. Okay, it's going to be more buying than selling. Okay, so the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been playing within this channel for days right now. And at this point it broke out above it and went into it again, and it broke out below it at this point also and went into it again. So it has gotten to the upper part of the channel. It may likely go back to the lower part of the channel, and of course after that try to go back to the upper part again. So but if it breaks out above or below this channel, then definitely it's going to go in that direction for a while. Okay, so for now we expect this to sell right from here. Okay, except if it breaks out from here, that is when it will buy more. Okay, so we expect more selling from there. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.